If you're curious about the power of Harbor and ranking quickly on Google, then you're gonna wanna watch this video. Welcome to this video where I'm gonna show you exactly how I used Harbor to rank on the first page of Google for a client within 48 hours. Now, this is Pia Margo, which is a business that we actually helped create. It's one of the people who works at Craft. They always had a dream of opening some kind of e-commerce in women's fashion. So we did what we do best, and we created a website, and we did everything. This is actually on Shopify. It's on our own Shopify theme. Just for some context, so you can understand what I personally did on the website. I personally made the collections and tagged all of the products using my Shopify automator. So we actually have a lot of collections here. As you can see, there's really a lot of collections, but kind of what I want to show is the progress of this website. Now, the first thing to kind of talk about is these clicks here. You might say, oh, but why is it going down or whatever? But this is actually caused by social media influencer campaigns. So you can see that the biggest keyword is Pia Margo, Pia Margo, Pia Margo, Pia Margo, Pia Margo, Pia Margo, etc. These are branded terms. Now, also kind of what I wanted to talk about in this video is the power of that, because what my colleague has done is really, really powerful when you first start off with a new website. One of the things that people talk about all the time is brand recognition, branded key terms, branded searches, and how they actually help you rank more quickly on Google. Because obviously, if many people are searching for something, the likelihood of that business being fake or, scammy or not real is very, very low. But if many people are searching for something, clicking on your homepage and looking and buying, then that's much more powerful in terms of user signals. That's actually not what this video is about, but I do want people to bear that in mind. The power of getting a lot of people onto your website early cannot be underestimated. But what I really want to show is this right here, which is this kind of explosion in impressions, which we're seeing, and where this came from. So you can see, I actually don't know if this already started getting a lot of impressions, but a lot of this content is Harbor, or the forerunner to Harbor, which was called Grove, which, it basically is the forerunner to Harbor. They're the same system, it's just Harbor is much, much better. You can see the logic is always the same. It's just a really, really stunning blog post with internal links, a lot of really, really nice images, etc., etc. But if I just skip through, doesn't look like I can see it anywhere here. This is a Harbor article. You can tell straight away because it has the side-by-side imagery, which I absolutely love, by the way. This is one of my favorite things about Harbor. And then the other thing is these key features that Harbor does as well, and also these beautiful infographics too. We are going to be working on updates for these for the next version of Harbor, not 1.2, but 1.3. But we want to make these quite a lot better. And you can see this alone is getting this got 286 impressions in the last 3 months. However, if I go on most recent date, you'll see that there's this big jump to 864 impressions in a day, and also 12 clicks, which you can see, at least in terms of impressions, is a huge improvement from the day before, which normally means that something is happening. And that something is this article right here. Let's click on it, go to queries, sort by impressions, and you can see jeans trends 2024, best jeans 2024, 2024 jeans trends. This is on a brand new website with basically zero domain authority. Let's actually check the domain authority here. So we'll go to Ahrefs, and we'll just go to piamargo.com. This is it's an AI generated website. Everything is all the content is created by AI using, Harbor or Python scripts or whatever it might be. And you can see 0.2, 20 backlinks, 10 referring domains. That's fairly standard for a new website. And then 234 keywords and 54 traffic, which is really, really good for a brand new website as well. So this is very, very exciting times. If I just quickly go on to this article, you'll see just how simple something like this can rank. Like, look how simple this article actually is. Now, obviously we have links to important collections. So there's another one, but there's literally just one image here, and then this key features thing, and it's ranking on the first page of Google, okay? So if I just go on Google and type in jeans style 2024, not jeans styles, jeans, best jeans 2024. I think that was the keyword that I used earlier. There it is, Pia Margo, 5 days ago. That's just so interesting, okay? So I already started ranking in 48 hours, but within kind of 72, 96 hours, we're already on the first page of Google, which is a really, really good result for such a simple article. Now, we are actually improving Harbor in 1.2, so it should create even longer content with even more detail in, even more images, etc., etc. But this kind of standard logic of internal links, images, and not having a big wall of text, so having things like these key features, this is working really, really well for us and our clients. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to try out Harbor, it's harborseo.ai. If you're watching all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend. I'll see you soon with some more content. Peace out.